Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if Instagram is crashing over on your iPhone. So if Instagram is crashing, you open it and the app just immediately shuts up after when you basically open it and you can't use it at all, it just immediately closes. Then here are some easy ways in order to actually fix that. So the first thing I would recommend doing is just making sure that the Instagram servers are not down. I know Instagram servers are basically never down, but there could be a chance that they are down at this point. So what you want to do is simply type in Instagram down. It's going to be really easy. Just go to Safari, Google Chrome, doesn't really matter. Just type in Instagram just like this and then type down after it. So Instagram down. And then what you need to do is head over to this website called Down Detector. It will quickly verify everything, and then you will basically be able to see if it's down. So let me confirm my cookies, and we can right now see that Instagram is not really down. This is normal. Instagram are getting a lot of complaints. When Instagram is down, you will notice it by a massive red peak basically. So currently we can see that Instagram is not down, but our app is still not working. Then here are some other fixes in order to fix that. And fix number one, or basically what I would recommend trying to do, is just basically making sure that you have Wi-Fi. I know it sounds really obvious, but just double check if your Wi-Fi is connected. Maybe you are actually connected to Wi-Fi or cellular mode, but maybe there's something down there. So just make sure to try another app and see if that app is working. If you have made sure basically that your Wi-Fi is actually working and Instagram is still not working, then the second thing I would recommend doing is head over into the App Store and then just searching up Instagram, because you need to make sure to update to the latest version. If you have a really outdated Instagram app, then make sure to just update it, and that should fix a lot of issues, including some bugs. So make sure to always update it to the latest version. If you've already done that as well, or if there's just basically no update available, then the last thing I would recommend doing is clearing the cache over on your Instagram app. So on iPhone, what you need to do is head over to settings, then head over into general, and then head over into iPhone storage, just like that. Once you've done that, scroll down till you find Instagram, right here. And then in order to clear the cache of our Instagram app, what we're going to do is click on offload app, just like this. It's going to load a few seconds, and then we can reinstall the app. This will basically clear the cache of our Instagram app, but the best part is it will keep all the data and documents over on our device. So it's basically a hard reset, but all your accounts, everything will still be there. And the second you reopen it again, the app maybe will be working for you again. Now, if the app is still not working after you have literally just cleared the cache, then the last thing I would recommend doing is just simply reinstalling the app. And this basically fixes 99.99% of any issues you are having with any app, including Instagram. So yeah, I would just recommend doing that. And that are basically all the fixes I have for you. So if any of these fixes fix it for you, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.